Good morning. Today we are going to start reading from page number 123, and the topic is disadvantages of e-commerce. It is not always secure to purchase things online. A customer should make a check about the integrity of service provider before buying and making online payment. Whenever customer want to purchase things online, they should check about the integrity of that service provider, because it is not always secure whenever you are purchasing something online, as your information that are related to your credit card or debit card can easily be misused by unauthorized person. So you should check about the integrity before buying and making payments of the things that you buy online. Since customers are to make payments through debit card or credit card, so one should remain extra vigilant about the misuse of information and possibility of fraud. So that whenever customer buy something, they have to make payment with the help of the debit or a credit card. So customer need to remain extra vigilant, extra alert about the misuse of that information, and it can lead to a fraud. So possibility of fraud increases whenever you purchase something online, as you need to make payment with the help of your debit or a credit card. So you need to be extra vigilant. Firstly, you need to check about the integrity of the service provider before buying and making the payment. While e-commerce makes everything easily accessible, but still a consumer hesitates to buy online because he cannot examine the product physically and cannot be sure about the quality of the products until they are delivered to his door. So nowadays everybody indulges into online shopping, as it is easier. We can make purchase while sitting at our home. There is no need to visit the market. The time will be saved. So people prefer to do online shopping. But there are some customers that still hesitates to buy online because he or she cannot examine the product physically, as you cannot have the physical appearance of the product. You can only view it in your mobiles or a laptop wherever you are making a purchase, and you are not sure about the quality of the product that you are being purchasing. So until the product delivered to your door, you are always being in situation that whether the product that I had buy is up to the mark, up to the quality that is being shown. So when the product is in your hand, only then you are 100% sure about the product. So there are a lot of customers that do not prefer to do online shopping. They prefer to a traditional way of shopping. Constant access to internet is required to shop online, and that is, you need to have a constant access to internet if you want to make online shopping while sitting at your home, at your office, wherever you want to make purchase. You need to have a constant access of the internet. That is also a disadvantage. If you are not having an internet facility, you cannot make online shopping. E-commerce. Internet offers us convenient ways to shop from our homes or offices for movies, games, stationery, apparels, healthcare, home appliances, electronic items, etc. So internet also provides a convenient way to shop from our home for movies. You can shop for games, stationery, healthcare, home appliances, electronic item, whichever item you want to purchase. You can make shopping easily with the help of internet. We can buy or sell new as well as second-hand goods. You can even buy new goods or second-hand products. The process of selling and buying of products over the internet is called online shopping or e-shopping. So that process in which you buy and sell products over the internet is referred to as online shopping or e-shopping. Some of the popular portals for selling and buying goods are Amazon.com, eBay.com, Craigslist.com, Bonanza.com and Flipkart.com. You can use any portal and make online shopping. You can also purchase a new product, or you can also buy a second-hand goods as well. Amazon. Amazon is one of the largest online shopping websites in the world. It is an American electronic commerce and cloud computing company founded on July 5th, 1994, with headquarters in Seattle, Washington. This site is popularly known for its wide collection of books, although it has expanded its domain to other categories also, like electronic appliances, clothing, furniture, and many more. It allows its users to avail payment through credit or debit cards, net banking, e-gift vouchers, card swipe on delivery, or cash on delivery. Fact file: Flipkart. Flipkart is a popular e-commerce company headquartered in Bengaluru. It was founded in 2007 by Sachin Bansal and Binny Bansal. It is an Indian e-commerce company based in Bangalore, Karnataka. The company initially focused on book sales before expanding into other product categories such as consumer electronics, fashion, home essentials, and lifestyle product. Flipkart also owns PhonePe, a mobile payment service based on unified payment interface. PayPal. PayPal is one of the most popular payment gateways, founded in December 1998, that authorizes debit card and credit card payments. It is one of the largest online payment processors in the world. It supports worldwide online payment system that supports online money transfers and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods like check and mobile orders. It operates as a payment processor for online vendors, auction sites, and many other commercial users, for which it charges a fee in exchange for benefits. BHIM, Bharat Interface for Money, is an Android application that enables fast, secure, and reliable cashless payments through your mobile phone. The app is directly linked to the user's bank account. It was developed by NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India, and launched by Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi on December 30, 2016. It is an Indian mobile payment app that was developed by National Payment Corporation of India. It is intended to facilitate e-payments directly through banks. The app supports all Indian banks that use UPI, Unified Payment Interface, which is built over the immediate payment service infrastructure and allows the user to instantly transfer money between bank accounts of any two parties. It can be used on all mobile phones. It is an initiative to enable fast, secure, reliable cashless payments.